Hello, this is Shakil. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnel by Thrive Architect. And by the end of this tutorial, you will get this sales funnel like this sales funnel. First of all, you will land in the landing page. So if you like the product, then you will get the lead generation page. After fulfilling your credentials for the lead generation page, you will go to the payment page, and after making the payment, you will get your final destination, and that is you download your product. And if you click this product button, you will get your final digital product, downloadable product. Okay, let's dive into the deep. First of all, I have already configured WordPress site, and in this site you will create 4 pages. One is lead generation page. First of all, landing page. So if I click the landing page, you know how to create a page by add new. So I have created already 4 pages. So first page is the lead generation page, and going into the lead generation page, you will launch Thrive Architect by this way. And you will create this page that I have done already, but you can edit it by clicking here. You can create it from the scratch, or you can get the ready-made default templates, or ready-made lot of default templates. I have used these templates. Where is it? This is a mini squeeze 2 video sales page. By clicking this, you can choose template. Already I have done these things for you. You can edit this from according to your necessities. Say get features of the best selling product right now. You can edit according to your requirement. Edit now. Whatever you edit or did anything, you have to go for save changes. You can change the videos. You see the URL. You can put the link here. You can give the source. You can edit the button. You can add additionally anything like text button. You can drag and drop here text. As I am not doing here, I am deleting it. But I am showing you that you can do whatever you like, text, button, anything else. In the button section, you will after clicking the button, people will go to the lead generation page. So in the lead generation page, in the button, go to the lead generation page, lead, and click the URL. I mean, this is the URL. Copy the URL, and then in the button section, put the link. You see, I have already done here. After deleting it, I am giving it lead. You see, this is my domain, Thrive and lead. You can select it, open in a new tab, or no follow. Then save your work. And this is the second page. You see, this is the second page. If get instant access, if I click it, it will go to lead generation page. By putting your name and email address, you can sign up and click the pay and get instant access. So let's go to the get an instant access page. Lead page. Okay, lead page. Edit with Thrive Architect. In every page, you will click edit with Thrive Architect. you can use it ready-made template, or you can use the button here by clicking. You see form, you see not button, form. Here are two forms are available here, the integration and contact form. By dragging it here, you can place the form here. As I have on, so I am not doing so. You can also create use ready-made templates, so do whatever you like. And after that you will go to the third page, and by clicking the button, you see here is the link, payment, Thrive-payment page. So where I got the link, where from I got the link? I got the link from here. See the payment page. Here is the payment page, and this is the payment page URL. So by copying it, I am pay. You say pay. You see the link. Open in a new tab and save the work. You can put the URL of your pages and just paste here, nothing else. Then what will happen after payment? Client will click the download the product button, and as I give the link here, people will go on the final, and people will go their final destination. And this is the download your product button. And if he downloads, click the download button, you will get his desired product. So what happened here in the download page? Where is the download page? You see, this is the download page. Long story. Thrive Architect. I used ready-made templates. Pick is mine, but you can do it from scratch by clicking this available sections, subsections, icons, and all the sections. Or you can use the ready-made templates. I use the ready-made templates. These ready-made templates, you see, mini squeeze to video sales page, mini squeeze video lead generation page, lead generation. Sort of available templates are here. So you can use the ready-made templates, or you can build it from scratch. You can edit anything according to your design. Like if I want to edit this picture, I can make the picture big. You see, the picture is growing or decreasing. You can do a lot of things. Are available here. You can see the mobile friendliness. This is the tab view. This is the mobile view. You can change it according to your requirement. So this is the final stage. Say in the desktop view, you have successfully signed up. I want to say here congrats. Congrats. Save the work and let's go. Whether we can see our changed sections, changed text. This is the landing page, get instant access. After sign up, pay instant access. After payment, download the product. You see, signed up, it takes time. Congrats. It takes sometimes it takes some time to build the page in action. Let's check 1 second. You see, congrats, my changes are here. So download your product. This is your final destination. So you got your final product. This is the complete sales funnel. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. You will get lot of videos regarding web design and web templates. Thank you very much. See you soon.